The Ontario government says it has an important message for families with children in childcare and says it's reached an agreement with Ottawa to extend the $10 a day childcare program. Al Sweeney is following the developments for us and joins us live in studio tonight with the latest. Al.
Matt, just to be clear, as parents know, it's not actually $10 a day childcare. That's the goal, but right now Ontario parents are paying more like $19 to $22 a day. But the news is that the province says parents can count on that for at least another year. The childcare program is far from its goal, set when the Trudeau federal government said it will bring fees down to $10 a day on average by 2026. And there were concerns the program wouldn't be able to keep childcare costs under control by the end of its first 5 years next spring.
A lot of parents were pretty worried and pretty stressed out that, come March, they were not going to have access to the $10 a day program.
But the province has worked out an agreement to keep the program going in Ontario. In a letter to parents, Education Minister Paul Calandra says Ontario has successfully negotiated a one-year extension of the federal childcare program. He says it ensures continuity of the program for the coming year, while keeping fees at their current average of $19 a day and a maximum of $22 a day until at least December 31st, 2026. And he says continued discussion with Ottawa ensures the program's long-term sustainability. The Association of Daycare Operators of Ontario says that's good news.
For families who are enrolled in the program now, they're breathing a sigh of relief. For childcare owner-operators, it gives a little bit more certainty in terms of funding levels for the coming year, although, that still all has to be worked out.
The daycare operators say the program is facing challenges, like the need for childcare space in costly Ontario real estate and operators swamped by bureaucratic government paperwork, and say that $10 a day goal may be difficult to reach.
I don't know that we're going to get to $10 a day. That's really hard to say. But if there can be an extension of the agreement and continued fee reductions, that's helpful.
Ontario's Better Childcare Coalition says the funding extension should not be the start of breaking the $10 a day promise. Calandra says Ottawa is promising $695 million in additional funding, but says that's not enough to get to $10 a day. So the daycare operators say the program isn't perfect, and the government could be doing more consulting with parents and operators. But for many parents, they say it makes the difference between whether they can go out and work.